Namaskaram, Harar Mahadev. So in this video, we will discuss what is sadhana in a more practical, easy to understand way. Like you understand what is like to learn something that you go to school, and you understand what is like training also, in which you go to special training sessions like or internships in your when you are studying in college. So, but what is sadhana only? So is it actually like training in which you kind of start operating through a particular memory system and change this memory system? It is just like changing you how you operate in the world. Is that sadhana? Now on the first step, that is the answer. Like that is really sadhana. In the first step, basically in sadhana, we try to change the existing mental model into a mental model which is more in sync with the truth. Like as a human, right now I am existing here, and to understand, okay, why I am here and what is all of this game about, and to keep that core principle always in your mind while making any action. It's like so many core memories or core principles that you have in your mind by which you operate in the world. Like you should never fight with the powerful person, because if you fight with the powerful person, then like something bad will happen to you only. Like, so now slowly when that kind of memory gets positive feedback from your experience in the world, then it gets cultivated and becomes a big memory. Like it has more and more influence over the rest of your memories. So cultivating, first step is that only, like you try to change your existing memory system by cultivating the right memories in it or right thoughts in it, in which you don't operate like this, like meaning of this life is to earn money, although you operate that the meaning of this life is just to understand what is the meaning of this life. So instead of that, if you cultivate this outlook, this perspective of looking at the life, like that is the first step, which is related to discipline and memory training. Then the second step is you kind of bind all the other memories around that memory. So all the other memory become like in some sense, like obedient to that memory. Like that is the driving principle. So that you can see in different way. Like let's say if you are living in this life and your driving principle that like I have to earn more and more fame. So your actions will be around that. So that is become your core memory in which it operates the meaning of your life. So first you have to change that only, and then slowly once like that memory become powerful, so that you more and more of your actions in this world are driven by it, then we start to make the other memory collapse, because we don't need to remember all the other stuff, because now we need to remember only that one principle. Like in this example we can say like that one principle is like the meaning of life is to find out what is the meaning of life. So you don't need to like everything else is just like secondary and fleeting. This is the only thing that you need to remember. So we will try to reduce the memory around it, and after reducing the memory, finally it will be like this only one memory or one principle will be left, and then you have to dissolve that also, because the main aim of sadhana is to not driven by memories at all. Like that is the final step, but these are the like step by step you have to take only, because first of all you already have an existing way of looking at world, existing way of like habits and like how you operate and how do you react in a particular situation. So first we sow the seeds of the right memories in them, then we cultivate the right memories so that all the other memories become kind of obedient or in a way answering to that memory. And then slowly the other memories need to go away, because we don't need to remember all the other stuff. And then in the end the last memory will be there, and then we will have to dissolve that memory also. Like you can say in this sense, like a more simple example is like in physics, other than to learn like this principle, that principle, you just understand one principle like energy is conserved or something like that. Just an example. So all the other equations can be derived from that. So when you find a core thing, a core principle in which all the other things can be easily derived, so you don't need to remember them because all of them are derivatives. Similarly, you cultivate a core Vivek memory in you which can derive all the other memories now because you don't need to remember them. So this is the meaning of sadhana, in which in your day-to-day life you cultivate first either the right action, which is like karma yoga sadhana, or the right movement, which is maybe by through breathing or through sitting in a particular way or through moving like Surya Namaskar and all the other stuff, or you cultivate right way of thinking.
Real is rising again. This is not just a channel, it is truth revolution. To manifest a new world rooted in the truth of existence, join Kalki World YouTube channel, volunteer, explore, donate at Shri Foundation. Together we awaken Dharma.